and Ballakeigh. With Christian and Bayr Ballakeigh.
Christian is old
Ballakeigh. The Dooners kid in the Blina.
The Jaru. Hashem Tre Rawa.
Okay.
Hashem Tre Rawa in the bell.
Hey.
Rushi said Lough Cranstal.
Oh, when we kiered Lough Cranstal.
The Jaru. Rosley a big bear, he says.
But Thie, by Keir Bairn or time took.
The Jaru.
Bairn or the boat term by Lough Cranstal.
Yeah.
But bank owners be term alone uche te red as bear or land. As wat veel boeren. Wat veel boeren en wat jaren als wat 3 young veel. As a horn neck, folly by bear for the leg. As wat sheep and horn.
En na boor de Kieltochtach, no wel? The Ballamin Raladi does Kieltochtach?
Yes, the join out.
Sure.
But they ball legger.
The day ball one, yeah. Son, did hamburger, doc?
Oh, no, make it the daytime Knockenean from say, won't you?
No.
Hey, that house that the goes living in, Alcocks.
Oh, the Darrow.
Hey,
Alcocks.
Alcocks.
Oh, Thie getting better,
the go the Jidig and Ben go the bear was then.
Oh, the Darrow.
I sent time went my crow bear on Knockenean.
Rushi said Knock-y-Doonee.
Oh, they killed.
That's the boy or send Ballakinnag.
Hey, Ballikinnag gets the funny bear Ballikinnag we get boo with it. As my class to be slave bear one, but grey the tear and Lorden.
Tear and Lord. Oh, Lord. They go, yeah.
And my bear run, I said that for an farewell to Poos and Nin and the Lord, the Shannon in there.
Yeah. Look at and a slide to bear us Knockenean.
Or Wally, nephew.
Oh, the girl.
Wally Chagan.
Oh, see. The same bullet they can smell.
I Shady.
They can curdy the well. Tan shan curdy bonus a surnish, Tommy Crowell.
Kid?
Tan shan curdy bonus a surlach nish.
Shady.
She.
He did never very soon on egg that the Gobra that said the gold collection Thie Bruce.
Oh, that, eh?
Hey.
She and Shan Magher Muck was from there.
Yeah.
As high as soon as we was for last list to run us the whole pack or some say.
I think an egg boy said but Lala the Jono over Sonnock as we go around egg with the egg take up me a Jono way. As for fed to the bank at the Ballakeigh.
Sort of a morning, here and there, a bit.
Well, could you tell us the fields that belong to Ballagarrett and then another farm?
Oh, yes, the fields belong.
Ballakeigh, you can know some of Ballakeigh.
Yes, some of them, I don't know all the fields.
No, I don't want to know all. Some would do it, Ballakeigh.
Kingston, the Nenman, and the Maran or Ballagarrett.
The Maran or Ballagarrett, and then to Twoaie and Thie, and then to Jiass. The Cledden Field, and the Whins, and the north top field, and the south top field, and the down field,
Yes, but that's a Balvennee, that is called.
Yes, the Balvennee.
Balvennee. Rau dod gentos y gilc o yw nain man sien.
Kid?
Tegen law nain man on gilc.
O nain yn nymyn nog o'r gilc.
Ie.
Ond Magher Cheu Twoaie dan Cronk. As Magher Cheu Jiass. As van Magher Cheu Jiass oor Balvennee. Wat de mensen Balvennee.
Balvennee.
Ai, wat de mensen dan?
Wat a sen gilc de lure.
Thie Muc. Thie Muc.
Thie Muc.
Ai.
Think what you think out of your mouth because you can hear it then. Well, you know some of Eric's fields here too, man.
What?
You know the name of some of Eric's fields too?
Oh yes, there's one field at Eric that was great Magher Cheu Twoaie and Thie. And for Magher Ella for Keeil Magher y Muc, Rich.
Magher y Muc.
And for Magher Ella for Keeil Magher and Thie Muc.
Ie. Wel Magher Neller on.
And for Magher what's the name? Ballagarrett.
Cooil Thie.
Yes. And when I know Cooil Thie, and for then or nere, and then Cheu Twoaie nere, and then Cheu Mooar nere.
Ie. Wel Magher Neller os...
Magher Ella for Keeil Cheu Jiass and Thie.
Ie.
For Magher Ella for Keeil and Qweeyll and this. What the mensen Qweeyll?
Qweeyll. A semis, yna?
Hey?
A semis.
What do you think?
He doesn't know what the match is.
No, I know the mensen Qweeyll, do they? Qweeyll, do you think?
Qweeyll.
Qweeyll, I don't know what the word is Qweeyll anyway, Qweeyll.
Foddy ti gilc.
Okay?
Foddy ti gilc.
She gilc.
Foddy she gilc.
When did he get there?
Yeah.
But then or Magher Mullagh. For Magher Ella and Magher Jiass and Mullagh. For Magher Ella was grey and Magher and Qweeyll Mooar.
Magher and Qweeyll Mooar. Zoals de Qweeyll woon, nees.
Qweeyll Mooar.
Rau Mullen on.
Yes.
Rau Mullen was a
Rau Mullen noon at then, but Magher and Qweeyll Mooar.
Go.
And for Magher Ella and Magher Jiass.
Magher Jiass.
That's all, eh?
What about Stells?
One.
Kilpustet.
But Magher own
Well, Lelege would suit that.
Oh, but
that be what
Kilpustet. You see, my Magher own was getting in flat dress.
En nee.
Flat. What's
En nee als a gilc.
What's the name? What's the meaning of flat?
Nee.
Oh, my name.
Nee.
For Magher own Ella for Keeil Magher Simon dress.
Magher Simon.
Magher Simon. For Magher own, but there Magher own Renero. Then Thie, then Mooar.
She.
And for Magher and Cheu Jiass and Thie, but got Magher y Mullagh.
Magher y Mullagh. She.
And for Magher Ella own, but got Cool Bedden.
Cool Bedden. She.
And what's the name of that big house the chapel was in?
And when Magher Ella was getting and Craighen with that. Magher and Craighen.
Magher and Craighen. Craig Vashen. Of Keeil Thie.
Till Thie.
Oh, the hell.
Yeah. And for Magher Ella own,
What's the name of the...
Magher Ella own but gay. What's the month of chapel? The chapel people call them.
Cabbal.
Cabbal, aye. Cabbal Magher.
Cabbal Magher.
For Magher Ella own but again Keeil Magher.
Keeil Magher.
Van Magher hun wat gereden en Runt Mygeayrt.
Runt Mygeayrt.
Runt Mygeayrt.
Dat zijn in een kweg, wel. Dan kun je dan net een region, in een region. Dan kun je dan in een region.
Arabian field. Who's Arabian field, John?
Oh, right here's got that.
Oh, is it?
Yes, Arabia. Yeah. That belonged to Ballakeigh.
Oh, I thought that Arabian belonged to the Christians.
No, that's Arabian.
Cretan Beru asa. Cretan Beru. Wel beg te gre Beru resh asa. En bush en Bayr Cheu ha. To go she's wash in Ballagarrett ella das an urka, das an ground.
What you said in English?
There's a road here called the Red Road, isn't there?
That's Bayr Jiarg. Oh, that's Bayr Jiarg.
Bayr Jiarg.
Aye. Oh, that's Bayr Jiarg. And that's gone up in the quarter land of Ballagarrett.
Oh, no.
It's gone up between the two quarter lands of Ballagarrett, the four end, but the Bayr Jiarg is gone up between the two. That's the Red Road.
Yes, Bayr Jiarg.
Aye.
Well, Bayr Ellerun.
What?
Well, Bayr Ellerun, that's Gilk.
Bayr Road. You mean Bayr Road?
Well, Bayr Ellerun.
And that gone more into the Nere.
Yeah. That's kept in my son. Dat zijn Bayr-ny-Hayrey.
Called it the Nere, called it the road going out to there, that's the...
Bayr-ny-Hayrey.
Bayr-ny-Hayrey. Bayr-ny-Hayrey. Yeah.
Forgetting snacks of them.
I'm getting lots now, I don't mind.
Oh, to the smooth faggot head force. To the smooth head, the big blue emmers.
Cut an inner and ball, cut grey Crosby nish. Knock row shan inner and ball shan.
You but Crosby, but shan and him and me Lough Cranstal there.
Row?
And him and be other.
Knock the ball out send us.
Crosby shan cross. That's a cross. Cross Farm, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Crosby.
Knock the ball out send again the set Kionlough.
Kionlough, they said.
Kionlough.
Aye, Kionlough. That's the Kionlough, that's a corner of a watery spot.
Yeah. The those shen bonus said Crosby.
On an L did so. I not did.
No, father Jay.
I not father was Crosby.
Yeah.
The ball Ella the grand Shellag.
Shellag, yeah.
Shellag.
As the conk I said, again I said conk near Lay.
The conk was said that Gan Crunk and Keeil and what the Manx of goals.
Foilin.
Aye, King and Foilin.
Yeah. Crunk Keeil Foilin.
Aye, the Gold's Church.
Well, Crunk Keeil Foilin.
Aye.
That's great a shin.
Yeah, it's Shellag.
The Jarrow.
Yeah.
Oh, Crunk Keeil the Foilin.
Aye, the Gold's Church and the Crows and the one, you see. Aye, they call it their church, you see.
Shen en hem kwek.
There.
Kren vijf en Mr. Chen.
Yes?
Kren vijf en men Chen kuren.
Oh, die only Kunnach and I'm killing and...
Killing the Foilin.
Wel,
only Kunnach.
Tad great of wel in Shellag, mais on Parthenon.
Kid?
Tad great of wel Shellag, mais on Parthenon, a tray. Or take o Parthenon. Crabs on Seville.
What's that? On and crabs?
Paten.
Parthenon on Skilk. Parthenon tad great rish on Skilk.
What's it in English?
Paten, to Shen en animals gilk. Crabs.
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 Crabs. Crabs. Oh, aye, they're on the stones.
Aye.
Oh, aye, flitters, they call them in English.
Aye.
Aye, flitters. Oh, the crabs, yeah. Aye, well, they're stuck through the stones and you take a knife and get it off.
Aye, that's the flitters.
What?
The flitters.
Yes, the flitters, yes, the knife.
Aye.
You see. Skin the goil of Jay and clan.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been out getting them.
Aye.
Aye. The little round shells, man. And when you put the big sticks to the stone, man.
and quiet. That's what you mean. You mustn't pull it out round here. You mustn't pull it out round here. I'm surprised at a chap like you carrying a thing like that with you, so you better keep it in your pocket. 'Twould spoil the dance, I fear. All the day that you want to street a little white mouse, so you mustn't pull it out round here. Now I've been married now a month or so. When down to Blackpool with the wife I go, I so happy and full of glee. I took my little white mouse with me. My wife said she'd like to swim, so down to the beach we go. And when she saw my little white mouse in my hand, she shouted out, "Now Joe, you mustn't pull it out round here. You mustn't pull it out round here. I'm surprised at a chap like you carrying a thing like that with you, so go and have a dip in the ocean." And these words she made clear. "I'll wash your little mouse when I get you in the house, but you mustn't pull it out round here."
Yeah.
Here